Meet NachoCards, the best way to buy SaaS. NachoCards are a powerful virtual card solution that NachoNacho uses to track and control your subscription expenses and other general expenses across your company. You can issue one card per vendor per employee, allowing you to have granular details into each and every expense across the company. To create a Nacho card, you can simply click this button here from the NachoCards tab, and you can set very strict time and spend limits to this and assign them to a specific employee. You can track all these expenses through the transaction tab over here. You can track every transaction company-wide, right down to the employee and to the vendor. All the details for the transaction can be viewed by clicking on this section here. So you can view the card details and everything spent on that particular transaction, including the actual card that was used for it. And here you can see that specific Nacho Cards details. What's more is that you're earning 1.5% cash back on all of your spend, in addition to anything that you might save in the SaaS marketplace. All the cash back from this purchase and from premium discounts obtained in the SaaS marketplace will show up here in the form of cash back that you could withdraw about 30 days usually after the purchase is made. If a transaction has been made with a vendor, you could also track that specific vendor's transactions and all the payments that you've made to them on a granular detail from the vendors tab over here. Here you can see those details about that particular vendor, including total spend, which will show up here, and you can see the Nacho card specifically that was used for this particular vendor, or any Nacho cards associated with that vendor. Once again, you could click into the Nacho card page and see all the details regarding that Nacho card. Worried about overcharges or perhaps shadow IT, perhaps when an employee leaves the company and they still have subscriptions out there that you're still paying for? Those are easily canceled with the click of a button. You could either suspend the Nacho card here, which will suspend all future payments, or you could cancel the card 100%. Best part, Nacho cards are directly integrated with our SaaS marketplace for premium deals, indicated by the purple diamond here. When you see a premium deal, you could actually create a Nacho card right on the spot so you can instantly track and control this expense going forward. You can see the Create Nacho Card feature here, which will actually generate a live Nacho card. This card will then be tracked again in your Nacho Card section, with the transaction for 100 hires showing up in the transaction tab here, and also as a new vendor here, giving you full granular visibility over all of your spend for this particular vendor right here. That's why Nacho Cards are the best way to buy SaaS. You get full control over all of your subscription and general expenses across the entire company, and you get to access premium discounts, in some cases up to 90% off some of the top software brands. Don't forget that you also get 1.5% cash back on each and every purchase company-wide. Again, the cash back will show up here in the cash back section about 30 to 45 days after the purchase.